Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I want to take you on a little journey, my journey into the world of cryptocurrency. Now, if you've ever felt confused, overwhelmed, or just curious about crypto, trust me, I've been there. I started knowing nothing, made a few mistakes, learned a lot, and now I feel way more confident navigating the space. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let me share what I've learned. The good, the bad, and the surprisingly simple. Let's go. My first encounter with crypto was back in insert year or a few years ago. I kept hearing about Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these coins. But honestly, it sounded like a scam or some complicated tech thing I'd never understand. So I did what most people do. I Googled it. I watched a few YouTube videos, just like this one, and that's when I started to get it. At its core, cryptocurrency is just digital money. But more than that, it's a whole new way of thinking about finance, freedom, and the future of money. That blew my mind. My first investment, I'll be real with you, I was terrified. I put in like $50 into Bitcoin. That's it. And I kept checking the app every 10 minutes like, did I lose it all? But here's what I learned. Start small. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. And take your time to understand what you're investing in. I wasn't trying to get rich overnight. I just wanted to learn by doing. Okay, let's talk mistakes. Because oh boy, I made a few. FOMO investing. I jumped into coins just because they were hyped. Not smart, not doing my own research. I followed influencers without checking facts, ignoring security. I didn't set up two-factor authentication at first. Big no-no. Learn from me. Do your own research, stay patient, and protect your accounts. What really helped me grow was surrounding myself with good info. I started using websites like CoinMarketCap to track coins, joined Reddit threads to see what real people were saying, and even started listening to crypto podcasts while doing dishes. I also made a habit of reading white papers, not the whole thing, but just to understand what the coin was trying to do, and that helped me spot which projects were real and which were just hype. Now, I'm not a crypto millionaire or anything, but I'm smarter, more confident, and I've built a little portfolio I believe in. More importantly, I understand what I'm doing. I know how to manage risk, stay updated, and keep learning. And guess what? I still make mistakes, but way fewer than before. If you're watching this and thinking, that sounds like me, just know, you can totally do this. Start slow, stay curious, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Crypto isn't just for techies or investors. It's for anyone willing to learn. Thanks for hanging out with me today and letting me share my crypto story. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment sharing your own crypto journey or your biggest question, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto and finance videos. We're all learning together. Catch you in the next one.